They had a little wagon and we pulled behind the trailer. The tractor vacuumed it all out.
This is working right here. The sight window is actually terrific to see. Instead of having to depend on the sound, you can actually look in the window and see what's going on. So how big is the holding tank we're guessing? 40 gallons.
Well, whatever the surveyor said, it was
Well,
40 or 60.
this week, either yesterday or today, it said 60. Okay. You're talking about the side of the water tank and the holding.
But because the level gauge doesn't work, we don't know if it was half or 3/4.
They had it up on one, got it in the bottle tank. Got all pretty nice.
Well, it's been a while, so the tank must have been pretty full.
I was kind of wondering if that could have something to do with it, the flush not being so good.
It's possible, but the sinks in the shower do not go into the black water sewage tank.
No, but you're having trouble with the flush.
It's true.
You got more.
Could be. So whenever it starts chugging air bubbles, we'll turn off that red knob to the left, and then we'll undo the banjo fittings, those two silver rings on the right, and disconnect it,
And then screw them.
and then screw the cap back into the deck. Wow,
So it's pumping out a lot, right?
it is. Okay, look, see the hose is jumping? Can you hear the hose thumping?
Yeah,
We're sucking air bubbles,
yeah. It's just surges now.
so we're almost empty. Okay, you can do this forever, or just go ahead and turn the red knob off, because we're pretty good. We're done. Okay, now when you disconnect those two rings and you pick it up, turn it so that none of that black water drips on your deck. So pop those two rings loose, the
Yeah.
same two rings that we had to tighten up,
Yeah, and then what?
and then pick it up and don't let it drip on the deck. If it does, it's not a problem, we just hose it off.
Yeah, but what? Define how to hold it that it doesn't drip on the deck.
Well, it's pointed down at 6 o'clock, so you want to twist it up at 12 o'clock. Okay, lift it. Wiggle, lift, wiggle, lift. There you go. Turn it right side up. There you go. You got it coming. Okay. And then that way you don't drip anything on the deck. So now we'll just put the cap back in.
You don't want to rinse it?
We have to unscrew that piece, and then we'll put the cap back in, and we'll be done.
You don't want to rinse it, Ken?
Yeah, it'd be a good idea. Let's go ahead and rinse it, and then we'll pump out some of the rinse.